There is no water in Tshwane. There is no diesel for the buses of Tshwane. And that is happening under the DA government. If it was an EFF government, me and you will not be sleeping. All the clever blacks will be shouting all the insults in the book against the EFF because it's a black government. But because that is a white man's government, they don't say anything. So the picket lines are calling. Whether they like it or not, on the 20th of March, South Africa will come to a standstill. We require nobody's permission to occupy the streets of South Africa to demand the release of the president and to demand that we switch on South Africa. The 20th of March, nothing must move except emergency services. They can all say the nonsense they want to say. We are not hearing them. We are not listening to them. We are listening to the cries of our people. Our people are saying, Sabela Uyabiza, the EFF is being called upon. So we must show them that even this new ANC that they say it is our match is nothing. Mbalula is nothing. He won't do anything. If anything, he will be begging us that please, comrades, let's try to do it in a responsible manner. He can say the nonsense he says there on TV. He will never stop the EFF. No one can stop the EFF. Even that Soweto, no one can stop the EFF. That's why all of them are now talking. If we were nothing and were not anything to be taken serious, why are they all now out of their cocoon and speaking? It is because the leader of society has spoken. That's why they are all now speaking. Because there is only one leader of society. Only when the EFF speaks, the country shakes. They are all clownish. I listen to them, all of them. When they speak, we don't shake.